Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Victoria. I also sometimes go by Vicky. And today we are going to be doing a chit chatty get ready with me. And I'm going to be doing a look based off of a face chart by Eric C. You can find him on Instagram, of course. This is the look right here that I'm going to be doing. It's kind of inspired by that, not exactly a recreation. I've got some stuff here that I want to experiment with, and we'll see how it goes. Also, if you can't tell by my voice, I have been sick the past week, and I have put off filming a little bit, but I am feeling better even though I don't completely have my voice back. But I did want to get a video out for you guys this week. So yeah, other than that, let's just hop right into this. Alright, so I do already have foundation on because my foundation would have been the same as any other time I've ever done my makeup on here. Now I just have to prime my eyes just using the ColourPop concealer. I'm the shade Fair 06. So how have you guys been? I have just been working, even though I've been pretty sick. It's mainly just my voice now. Once in blue moon, I have a pretty bad cough. It's just my voice, and hopefully it will be back like tomorrow or something. Goodness, I feel like I'm at like 90% compared to what I was before, like normally. Oh, and I saw yesterday, or maybe it was 2 days ago, I saw the trailer for the It Part 2 movie. If I have any horror movie fan lovers, are you guys excited for that? Because I'm super excited. I loved the remake of the part 1 that they did, so I'm super excited to see how this turns out. Because I did read the book. I read the book after I saw the remake. Or no, I know I finished it after the movie had already came out and I had already saw it. It was really good. They definitely got a lot more stuff in there than they did in the previous movie, so I was pretty happy about that. I can't. Do you hear these frogs? It is every time I film. I feel like the more I talk, that's when they start. I don't know. I feel like they can hear me or something. Motherfuckers. Sunday I'm going to be spending Mother's Day with my sister as well as my mother and my godmother. We're all going to have a nice little lunch together, and I am so excited to go. I actually got a tattoo on my leg for my mom. Like, it has her name in it, and it's a heart, and it has her favorite flower. My mom cries super easily, like really, really easily. Like, I could put in a card that I think she's been such a wonderful mom to me, and she's helped me become a wonderful young lady. And she would be like, thank you. So I really, really can't wait to see how she reacts. I really hope this turns out well. I just kind of winging this here. Totally labeling this as like a chit chat get ready with me. But I really don't have anywhere to go. I just really wanted to, you know, like come home and do some more experimental makeup because it's been a hot minute since I've done anything out of the realms besides like very winged eyeliner and adding like the star stamps on me. I like never wear reds and golds together because I feel like I see so many people who do reds and golds and then it always gets marketed as a holiday look. I do like the way that he used it in that face chart though. The use of like reds and golds in this is really pretty, so I figured I would go ahead and stick with that, especially since, you know, it's like, hello, my cat, for anybody who didn't know. It's Peppy. She's nice and vocal. Every time that I film now, she comes and she sits on the ground and she just stares at me, and she'll start talking and she'll put her paw on my thigh so it'll give her attention. It's very cute. I have gold glitter that's in the shape of hexagons which is what honeycombs are. So I'm gonna do some experimenting with that. That'll probably be like one of the last things I add on though. I'm just lining this for when I put lashes on much later. But I was saying this might actually be a get ready with me, because I might go run to Publix or the dollar store that's right up the road from me, and I need to get some of that big bottle of that cheap like Tresemme conditioner, because I have these hair extensions and I want to experiment with them, because I have this purple dye at home and I have these older hair extensions that are light blonde, and I want to see if I can experiment and get them to match with my hair, and so I can have long luscious locks. I'm gonna move this a little bit closer. If you guys ever are like, how do I do that to my hair? Like the crazy hair colors that I have all the time, I would definitely just tell you to go to a professional. Do your research. Oh my gosh, for those of you who don't live in Florida, it is so freaking hot all the time now, and love bugs are back in full swing. If you don't know what those are, I'll give you a brief little summary. They're freaking little monsters of bugs, very small, very harmless, so incredibly annoying, and they can join butts when they mate, but they're really just a pestilence in my opinion. They just come, and if you don't get your car washed like once every week or every 2 weeks, whatever's in them, or I don't know if it's like their blood or guts or whatever it's considered, but it frickin' will eat the paint off your car. It's ridiculous. They drive me up the wall. They just like swarm. It seems like they like love like bright colors and stuff. Ugh, I can't with them. It's bad enough that it's like a heat index of like 90 to 95 degrees almost every day. And then you got these motherfuckers swarming around your head and everything. I need to do my eyebrows. What am I doing? A lot of people do their eyebrows based off of their hair color, which would be good for like an everyday setting, but I usually like to do my brows based off like the kind of makeup I'm going for the day. Like, I'm not gonna do super subtle brows with like this, I guess you could say, more avant-garde look than I'm working on. Like the eye look would be way too much. It would overpower the eyebrows and kind of take away from them, and I don't need that. I need, okay, I think that looks pretty good for the brows. They don't have to be perfect, they just need to be here. They need to make an appearance. I am so excited for the weekend. I don't even know what to say. I'm just like experimenting with some more fine gold glitter. I'm using spirit gum, and we're gonna see how it goes. Oh, no, no, no. I have glitter everywhere. I just need to get this off of my eyelashes. It's probably something I don't ever want by my eyes is freaking spirit gum. I can't think and apply this correctly at the same time. Not the best multitasker. Shake myself, make this drop down more. But I'm gonna keep getting a shit ton of it and mixing it with this glitter because it seems to be kind of working. I thought about putting actual honey on my face, but did want this to be, in my opinion, on the more, this is going in the wrong direction, on the more like wearable side. I wish this was more chit-chatty. I'll probably, wherever I'm not talking, I'm just going to speed it up. I don't really know how I'm feeling about all this, but we're just gonna keep messing with it. See how it goes. I am kind of done with the gold drips, and I'm gonna go wash this off my hand really quickly. I'll be right back. Alrighty, I am back now, and I'm going to start with using... Hey guys, here I am looking super rough editing this bee honeycomb video that I just filmed, and obviously have all my makeup off and everything, and I'm going through it, and there's like a whole 5-minute section that's out of me placing the hexagon glitter on my face. And I just want to say that I'm so sorry, because there's obviously no way for me to go back put that in now, but I will just say that all I did was I used glitter glue from Too Faced, and I placed it on little certain spots on my face, and then I popped the glitter on there. I'm really sorry that it didn't film for some reason, and I'll make sure some stuff like that doesn't happen again. Okay, bye. So I've got some of them strategically placed around my face, and now I'm just kind of going back and touching up a little bit of eyeshadow, because you know, whenever I was first doing it, I thought my eyeshadow was a little bit on the dramatic side. But now that I placed all this, after putting all of this meltiness and these little hexagons, glitters on my face, I feel like it definitely was not enough, if that makes sense. So this is where we're at right now. I'm gonna look back and see. I kind of want to experiment, and I was like trying on my hand right there of like doing some hexagons. I'm really scared I'm gonna like mess up the look if I do that. I'm also really hoping to next month be able to move my work days around a little bit, head up to Ocala to get my arm tattooed, because this is a woman. It's kind of hard to see. She ain't done yet. She's not getting colored, but she isn't fully shaded. I might work on getting on the other side of the forearm, start to doing flowers, and I really want to do like, it's called like doing a background. So instead of your arm blank and putting flowers and then really shading the flowers in, it would be doing all the flowers, like lining them, and then putting black in the background. That's why they call it background. Freaking love the color of this lipstick, but without like this dark lip liner underneath. It's the patchiest shit ever, and it's the Kat Von D Vampira liquid lipstick. It looks like my lips aren't even, but it's the glitter, I swear. I kind of want to add like some more bronzer. I feel like my face makeup isn't dramatic enough. I'll be right back. Man, I'm really craving like sushi. I really hope I have spirit gum remover, because I just got spirit gum in my brush. I think if I had to pick like a type of food to eat for the rest of my life, it would have to be sushi, I think. I don't mean like one specific roll or anything like that. I mean just type of food, just in general, because you can do so many different types of sushi rolls. Even if you weren't eating meat, you can still do so many different types of really yummy veggies in it. If you had to eat one food, like one type of food, not one thing specifically, what would it be? Let me know in the comments if you want, if you feel like it. I really think I don't like how this looks without wing liner, so I'm gonna put wing liner on. My cat keeps running up against my leg. I keep waiting for her to like start pawing at me. And she's not doing it. And you know why? It's because she knows that I'm talking about her. Okay, I definitely think that I like that better. Makes sense. He put wing liner on that face chart, and he's so talented. Now time to pop on some lashes. I don't know if I've ever really talked about it before on here either, but I also have a pet snake. Her name's Lilith, like the demon. You all wonderful that's supposed to be married to Lucifer himself. She's supposed to be the herald of hell. She's an albino ball python, and she is absolutely the most adorable thing you've ever seen in your entire life. She is only, I guess, right around 1.5 years old. Her birthday is October 15th, and she's the cutest, scaliest thing I have ever seen. She's got the little red eyes and everything. That's why I figured a demonic. Oh, gosh. It's also because I got her the day after my brother-in-law got one that was like literally the same as her, but from a different pet store. And his brother was like, I can't stand albino things. They're the devil. They're demonic. Blah, blah, blah. Albino, blah, 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 blah. Which is like the dumbest thing I have ever heard. But his is named Lucy because it's a girl for Lucifer. And so I figured Lilith would be super fitting for her. This eyelash hates me today. I don't know why. Freaking cat hair chilling on the bridge of my nose. I think I need a glass of wine. I'm gonna let this dry, get a glass of wine, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back with my lash on. I got my glass of wine in my souvenir butterbeer cup, and I have a special guest. This is Lilith, and she's the cutest thing ever. She is the shyest little baby, but she is just the most adorable thing I have ever seen. I love her. I've had her since she was only a month old, so she is my little scaly baby. And I will fight anybody who tries to hurt her. I'll put her on my neck. So she can just kind of do whatever she wants now. I'm gonna get you guys in a little bit closer, show you what this really looks like. Alright, so this is going to be the finished look. I didn't want to experiment too much before doing this because I wanted this to just be like a first thing, like hands-on type thing, you know? I think that's about it. I feel like something's missing, but I don't know what it is. Anyone who knows me or has been friends with me for a while knows that I will always wear crazy stuff like this out and about. I don't mind it at all. Not only can I not speak, but then Lilith is just having the time of her life trying to go wherever she's trying to go, and she's constricting around my neck, making it even harder for me to talk. I will let you guys go, and I'll see you hopefully next week with a normal voice. So for now, it's goodbye from me and Lilith. Also, I will link my social media. Alright, you guys, have a wonderful rest of your weekend. Bye.